This session will be about the GL overview. So when you go to Reports, Transaction Reports, you can choose GL Status Overview VR side and GL side. To be able to use this function, you'll have to upload your GL data separately in a separate file. So this is where the extension is gen.txt in case you upload it in a generic template, or of course you can upload it as an XML as well. So what this does is it compares the financial data to the GL data that you uploaded based on 5 things. So it checks the company code, the invoice number, the date, the VAT amount, and the currency. And depending on if all these align, it will give back a status, as you can see here. So the statuses can be 0. That means that on the VAT amount is 0, so it will not appear on the GL side. It can say no rec. No rec means it doesn't reconcile, but it will not tell you why. It just means either the invoice is completely missing from the GL side, or one of those 5 criteria don't match, or it will say auto rec. That means that the transaction does reconcile. Every time you do any change, you will have to click on reconcile just to be sure to get the right results back. As you can see here now, I have more invoices uploaded to, so I have more data to view, and you can always export it into a CSV file. It does the same check on the GL side. I'll just say reconcile. Oops, I have to choose the right period. I have data for January. And then you will see that the message is very similar. So if it says auto rec, that means it reconciles. If it says no rec, it means it doesn't reconcile. And there's one new one. When it says no rec error, that means that the transaction on the VR side is currently in error, meaning it's not able to reconcile until it is corrected, because you can change anything in the system. So this is useful if you want additional reconciliation and if you're interested in if your GL data aligns up to your financial data.